Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. And today we've got one from Xiao I. And what do we got here? Oh, you're kidding. Oh, no way. Okay. Uh-huh. So 5 minutes. Comes with a fancy, beautiful, and seductive fork. Look at that. Look at that. It has a design on it. Ooh. Yeah, I don't need that. I am freaking beat, folks. This episode of the show was brought to you by lack of sleep and being up way too early. Okay? Just letting you know that. How did I go to sleep? Just after midnight. Actually, we crashed out just after midnight and then took a little bit to actually fall asleep. And then woke up like at 4:30 and I was like, so I was up. So I came out here, dealt with the dishes, got some stuff ready for the kids. I do every day I go online and type in what is today, and it'll have like a list of all the holidays that are, most of them are kind of weird. Today was International Biscuit, like cookie day, Paperclip Day, and Climb Mount Everest Day. And so I find out what that is, what the day is, and then I get a Post-it note. And then I try to draw a picture of myself, incorporating all that. It was me climbing Mount Everest and having a paperclip in the top, and I was like, I had a cookie. All right. But I do that every day, and I put it on my wife's desk because she works from home. And she's got a little thing that I got her when I went to Taiwan. I went to Din Tai Fung, and they had this neat little things you could get. It's like where you write your order, and then you put it on this little clip, and it sits on your table, and it has a little character on it. Well, you could buy those, so I got one for her. I think I got one for her mom. Got one for somebody else. But, and then I clip the Post-it in that, and I do that every day when she's got work. So I did that. I tell you what, it's hard to draw a little mini self-portrait on a Post-it note about 10 minutes after you've like opened your eyes in the morning. But it's kind of it's neat because actually, while it's kind of difficult, it kind of sets focus for the day, it seems like. I don't know. But I just started doing it out of nowhere. What I used to do was when she was getting ready to go to work, I would like do a piece of art and like a nice letter, and I'd throw it in with her lunch. I used to draw art on bananas with a toothpick that would reveal themselves by the time it was her lunchtime, stuff like that. It said 500 mils. That's a lot of liquid. I'm going to go right to there. And it says, I think it says 5 minutes. 5 minutes is what's happening. So yeah, I am, and then I came out, I got all done with that, and then I went and sat down at the computer. I had not finished writing the review part, uploading the videos, and adding the images for the reviews from yesterday. So I finished that up. Then I got picked three noodles, started working on those, got the images done, and then made the posts. And then after that, I did my post for the day, and then I checked my email and stuff like that. And then come later, it's time to get the kids on the bus. I got the kids on the bus. I found out that there's something that I really freaking love that's back, and that's Old Bay seasoning flavored goldfish crackers. Those are the freaking bomb. It was funny too, because I've got one of those Echo shows, the Amazon thing, and it'll show pictures from like a year ago today kind of thing, and it showed a picture of a bag of those, and I was like, they came out like a year ago. I wonder if they're back around now. Boom, huge thing, found it all over the place. We're all looking, and it mentioned they're gonna have them at the QFC, they're gonna have them at Kroger, Fred Meyer, Safeway. So with maybe 3 hours of sleep and really sore from walking 10.5 miles yesterday, I decided it was a reasonable idea to, after when I got the kids on the bus, to go walk over to Bothell and go to the QFC store there, which was a lot longer than I really felt like doing today. And go over there and see if I can get some. Nope, they don't have them. Came back, went to the Safeway store here. Nope, don't have them. So hopefully I'll be able to find them soon, because last time I tried a bag and I was just floored. They were so freaking good. Oh my god, man. I'm telling you what, they're really, really good. And limited time. Hopefully they just add them to their lineup and don't make me deal with this crap once a year. But yeah, so they're really good. I don't just like eat them like a snack either. A serving is 55 crackers, and that's like 140 calories. And so I make soup and rice, and I have goldfish crackers that I dump in with it on top, and it's really good. They're like, oh my god, they're so good. They're better. The thing that's funny about Old Bay goldfish crackers is if you try to take Old Bay seasoning and somehow affix it to a goldfish cracker, it would taste like crap. It's like Old Bay made a special spray coating, or they license it out and they just call it Old Bay. I don't know, but it's really freaking good. There you go. But yeah, I went, walked all the way there, walked back. How far did I walk today? I don't know. I'm gonna guess 8.5 miles, about that. And I'm just running on fumes right now. Oh yeah, and my bucked up caffeine drink. It said on Ancestry that they've got all these traits. One of them is that you will probably drink more or consume more caffeine than most people. Second one today. It's getting breezy now. Worst part today was that I went out and they're saying we might have thunderstorms, and well, we didn't. Saw a big angry cloud go by though. Now it's getting more cloudy. When I went out, initially it was completely overcast, and then it kind of started clearing up, and at one point it was sunny. But I wore, sweatpants, a coat, and then it got up to like 60 degrees, and I'm just like super, like, God, gross out, Alright. So I don't know who this guy is, on the cup here, but I think he's a drama, like Chinese drama actor. But if you're a popular Chinese drama actor and you get a tie-in with a company where you're making your own brand of food, here's what you do. You make that. So I think it's sour spicy. It's not hot and sour. I don't know if hot and sour spicy are the same thing, but I kind of don't think they are. But this is a sweet potato thread. Usually kind of slimy, but not too bad. Very tangy. Very tangy. And it has a lot of heat. A lot of Szechuan peppery heat. Very oily, as you can see. Very salty. Well, it's got a lot of sourness from black vinegar. Oh my god, this is really good. But then again, all I've had to consume today, folks, is 2 300 milligram caffeine drinks, a fistful of vitamins, some Tylenol, some ibuprofen, my specialized medication. Probably like, what is that? Nah, I take a blood thinner. And what else? Maybe I'll talk about that on my next episode. I don't know. HIPAA. I don't know. I might have to HIPAA myself. Okay, come on. Oh yeah, that's right. This has peanuts in there. Look, it's a complete meal, folks. Look at all that stuff. Wow. Yeah, anyways, I don't even... Losing my train of thought. I'll try a bite this way. These are pretty good. A little bit of that. Huh? A little bit of that. And that's all I'm going to do to it. There's just no point in going any further. We've arrived. It just doesn't need it. Because, I mean, it's got, like, what? I think I do all my images, and can I center this really well and do a... That'd be kind of nice. Ooh, that is freaking hot. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, you're in the way. Get out of the way then. This is a neat bowl, and it was part of a gift that I received for some nice people. Thank you very much. That is like a Thai, I believe, traditional lunchbox set for lunch. But there we go. Thank you to the kind people, and watch it go. Well, thank you for watching. The next one, we'll see. This brand did not do it all well when I tried one of them the other day. This is Kinjabang with their spicy shadow style thin cut noodle. Their medium cut, they've got one more, but the place I went and found this stuff, QFC, didn't have those. There's another one, and it's called Blade Style, and I'm gonna bet you it's the nice wide. These are for the US market, and they're actually made in Taiwan, so they're Taiwanese dry noodles. But yeah, that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is Naz, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.